when it was clouds coming in. And fast, thunder, clouds are moving fast. So when the clouds move fast, it's trying to get the moisture of the tornado. And yeah. So comment below if y'all think a tornado's coming. And recently I haven't seen no comments, so please commented. Please comment. And know if these are a tornado forming. So yeah. They're moving really quick, I could tell. But comment if y'all think it's a tornado or not. Thanks for subscribing. Please subscribe, turn on your notification. And yeah, please comment and tell me if a tornado is coming. Oh wow, it's going real fast. Just trying to get on that.